When approaching a roundabout in Abu Dhabi, you must A. Enter without stopping if no traffic is visible. B. Always give way to vehicles already inside the roundabout. C. Stop completely before entering. D. Overtake slow vehicles inside the roundabout. Answer B. Vehicles already circulating inside the roundabout have the right of way. Entering drivers must yield before joining. If you see a flashing yellow light at an intersection, you should A. Stop immediately. B. Proceed with caution. C. Accelerate to clear the intersection quickly. D. Ignore it if traffic is light. Answer B. A flashing yellow light indicates that you may proceed carefully, watching for pedestrians and cross traffic. The minimum safe following distance in normal conditions should be A. 1 second. B. 2 seconds. C. 3 seconds. D. 5 seconds. Answer C. A 3-second following distance provides adequate reaction time to stop safely if the vehicle ahead slows suddenly. You are driving and your vehicle's tire suddenly bursts. You should A. Brake immediately and hard. B. Hold the steering wheel firmly and slow down gradually. C. Accelerate to stabilize the car. D. Turn sharply to the side. Answer B. A sudden blowout requires maintaining control by holding the steering steady and decelerating smoothly. The red color on a road sign generally means A. Information. B. Prohibition or warning. C. Direction guidance. D. Tourist attraction. Answer B. Red signs indicate prohibitions or warnings, such as stop signs and no entry areas. When driving in heavy fog, the best lights to use are A. High beam headlights. B. Hazard lights. C. Low beam headlights or fog lights. D. Interior lights. Answer C. Low beams or fog lights improve visibility without reflecting light back at the driver. On a multilane road, slower vehicles must travel A. In any lane. B. In the left lane. C. In the right lane. D. On the shoulder. Answer C. Slower vehicles should always keep to the right to allow faster traffic to pass safely. When a school bus stops with red lights flashing, drivers must A. Slow down and proceed. B. Stop until the lights stop flashing. C. Honk to alert the bus driver. D. Pass carefully from the left side. Answer B. Stopping completely ensures safety for children entering or leaving the bus. A broken yellow line between lanes means A. No passing at all. B. Road closed ahead. C. Only heavy vehicles may pass. D. Passing is allowed when safe. Answer D. Broken yellow lines indicate that passing is permitted when conditions are clear and safe. When driving in desert conditions, drivers should A. Maintain high speed to avoid getting stuck. B. Reduce tire pressure slightly for traction. C. Turn off traction control. D. Keep the air conditioning off. Answer B. Slightly reducing tire pressure improves surface grip in sandy conditions. Using a mobile phone while driving without a hands-free system is A. Acceptable in emergencies. B. A traffic violation. C. Allowed at low speeds. D. Permitted only at traffic lights. Answer B. Using handheld devices distracts drivers and is a punishable offense under Abu Dhabi traffic law. If your vehicle begins to skid on a wet road, you should A. Steer against the skid. B. Brake hard. C. Steer gently in the direction of the skid. D. Shift to a higher gear. Answer C. Steering into the skid helps regain control of the vehicle smoothly. The main purpose of seat belts is to A. Keep clothes tidy. B. Prevent ejection and reduce injury. C. Help with airbag function. D. Reduce fatigue. Answer B. Seat belts hold occupants securely and prevent serious injury during collisions. When approaching a pedestrian crossing with people waiting, you must A. Slow down but continue. B. Stop and allow pedestrians to cross. C. Honk to alert them. D. Wave them to wait. Answer B. Pedestrians have right of way at crossings, and vehicles must stop completely to let them pass. What should you do if your brakes fail while driving? A. Pump the brake pedal repeatedly. B. Turn off the engine immediately. C. Accelerate to maintain control. D. Pull the parking brake abruptly. Answer A. Pumping the brakes may restore pressure and slow the vehicle gradually without losing control. A red triangle placed on the road behind a vehicle indicates A. A police checkpoint. B. An accident or breakdown ahead. C. Roadwork. D. Emergency lane. Answer B. The red warning triangle alerts other drivers of a stationary or disabled vehicle. The main purpose of the hazard lights is to A. Replace brake lights. B. Signal overtaking intention. C. Indicate lane change. D. Indicate vehicle distress or temporary stop. Answer D. Hazard lights warn other drivers of danger, breakdowns, or sudden stops. A solid white line on the road edge means A. Road ends. B. Lane changing discouraged. C. No stopping or parking allowed. D. Road divider. Answer B. Solid white lines mark lane boundaries and discourage unnecessary lane changes. When entering a highway, you should A. Enter quickly and match the speed of traffic. B. Enter slowly and stop before merging. C. Drive on the shoulder. D. Wait until the road is empty. Answer A. Merging smoothly at a matching speed ensures safety and traffic flow. When an emergency vehicle approaches with sirens on, you must A. Increase speed. B. Stop wherever you are. C. Move to the right and allow it to pass. D. Ignore if it's on the opposite side. Answer C. Drivers should pull over to the right and stop to let emergency vehicles pass freely. The safe speed in school zones is usually A. 60 km per hour. B. 40 km per hour or less. C. 80 km per hour. D. 100 km per hour. Answer B. Reduced speed limits protect children and ensure quick stopping if necessary. Before reversing, drivers should A. Depend only on mirrors. B. Rely on sensors only. C. Open the door slightly. D. Check mirrors and physically look behind. Answer D. Checking mirrors and turning your head ensures no pedestrians or obstacles are behind. When should you use your horn in Abu Dhabi? A. At all intersections. B. To avoid accidents or warn danger. C. To greet other drivers. D. In tunnels only. Answer B. Horns are used strictly to prevent accidents or warn of immediate danger. Hydroplaning happens when A. Tires lose contact with the road due to water. B. Brakes overheat. C. Engine stops in the rain. D. Headlights malfunction. Answer A. Hydroplaning occurs when water lifts the tires off the road, causing loss of traction. When should headlights be turned on? A. Only at night. B. During rain, fog, or low visibility. C. When overtaking. D. Only on highways. Answer B. Lights improve visibility in poor weather and ensure others see your vehicle. When parking uphill with a curb, turn your wheels. A. Away from the curb. B. Toward the curb. C. Straight forward. D. to the right. Answer A. Turning wheels away prevents the car from rolling into traffic if brakes fail. If you are drowsy while driving, the safest thing to do is A. Drink strong coffee and continue. B. Stop and rest. C. Roll down the windows. D. Turn up the music. Answer B. Fatigue impairs judgment, resting is the only safe solution. Overtaking another vehicle on a curve is A. Safe if no one is behind you. B. Prohibited and dangerous. C. Allowed if the road is clear. D. Required for slow traffic. Answer B. Curves limit visibility, making overtaking extremely hazardous. If your car starts to overheat, you should A. Stop safely and let the engine cool. B. Continue driving faster. C. Pour cold water on the engine. D. Turn off the AC and ignore it. Answer A. Allowing the engine to cool prevents serious mechanical damage. You must not park your vehicle A. In front of driveways or fire hydrants. B. At the roadside. C. At the parking lot. D. In your home garage. Answer A. Blocking hydrants or driveways is a violation and can hinder emergency access. In Abu Dhabi, using high beams is acceptable A. When approaching other vehicles. B. In well-lit areas. C. On dark, empty roads with no traffic. D. In city streets. Answer C. High beams are for dark roads, they must be dimmed for oncoming traffic. If you miss an exit on the highway, you should A. Reverse carefully. B. Stop on the shoulder. C. Continue to the next exit. D. Make a U-turn immediately. Answer C. Reversing or turning is illegal, proceed safely to the next exit. When driving behind a large truck, you should A. Stay close for better drafting. B. Keep a greater following distance. C. Overtake quickly at any chance. D. Flash your lights. Answer B. Tracks require longer stopping distances, staying back improves visibility and safety. When you see a no entry sign, it means A. One-way traffic allowed. B. Only buses may enter. C. Entry is prohibited. D. Road under maintenance. Answer C. No entry indicates that all unauthorized vehicles must not proceed past the sign. Before driving a rented vehicle, you must A. Trust it's roadworthy. B. Check tires, brakes, and lights. C. Drive immediately. D. Skip inspection. Answer B. Safety checks ensure the rented vehicle is in proper working condition. You should never overtake another vehicle A. At pedestrian crossings. B. On straight highways. C. On two-lane roads. D. During daylight. Answer A. Overtaking near crossings endangers pedestrians and violates road rules. When a vehicle behind you wants to overtake, you should A. Speed up. B. Move to the right and let it pass. C. Block the vehicle. D. Use your horn. Answer B. Cooperation ensures smoother and safer overtaking. The main cause of rear-end collisions is A. Poor road lighting. B. Following too closely. C. Sharp curves. D. Worn tires. Answer B. Tailgating reduces reaction time and is a major cause of rear-end crashes. A flashing red traffic signal means A. Stop, then proceed when safe. B. Yield only. C. Speed up before the light changes. D. Ignore it. Answer A. Flashing red lights require a complete stop before moving safely ahead. When approaching a railway crossing with no barriers, you should A. Cross quickly without slowing. B. Stop, look, and listen for trains. C. Ignore if lights are off. D. Accelerate to cross faster. Answer B. Stopping ensures safety where there are no barriers or signals. Continuous honking in traffic is A. Encouraged. B. Illegal and a nuisance. C. A safety requirement. D. Used for overtaking. Answer B. Excessive horn use contributes to noise pollution and violates driving etiquette. The white triangle painted on roads before intersections indicates A. Yield or give way. B. Pedestrian area. C. Parking zone. D. No stopping. Answer A. The white triangle warns drivers to give way to other traffic or pedestrians. If headlights from another vehicle blind you, you should A. Look directly at the light. B. Look toward the right edge of your lane. C. Flash your high beams back. D. Close your eyes momentarily. Answer B. Looking toward the right edge helps maintain lane position until visibility returns. Children under 10 years must A. Sit in the front seat. B. Sit in the back seat with a child restraint. C. Sit anywhere. D. Stand between seats. Answer B. UAE law mandates proper child restraints in the back seat for safety. When driving downhill, you should A. Shift to a lower gear. B. Coast in neutral. C. Switch off the engine. D. Use the handbrake only. Answer A. Lower gears help control speed using engine braking rather than relying solely on brakes. If traffic lights stop working, you must A. Follow the largest vehicle. B. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. C. Drive through quickly. D. Ignore other lanes. Answer B. When signals fail, all drivers should stop and proceed cautiously, giving way appropriately. Smoking in a vehicle with children inside is A. Acceptable. B. Optional based on driver's choice. C. Allowed if windows are open. D. Prohibited by UAE law. Answer D. Smoking in cars with minors present is banned to protect their health. If your car stalls on a highway, the first thing you must do is A. Step out immediately. B. Turn on hazard lights. C. Sit silently. D. Call a friend. Answer B. Hazard lights alert oncoming traffic to your vehicle's position, reducing collision risk. The left lane on a multi-lane road is mainly for A. Slow vehicles. B. Heavy trucks. C. Overtaking. D. Parking. Answer C. The left lane is for overtaking and faster traffic, not for continuous driving. If a driver is involved in a minor accident with no injuries, they should A. Move the car to the side and call police. B. Leave the scene immediately. C. Argue with the other driver. D. Wait in the middle of the road. Answer A. Moving to the side ensures safety and allows traffic to continue while awaiting police inspection.